I mean, but honestly, again, we will say, we call it no more bullshit. We say because we're horny. I'm gonna be honest with you. We are horny. We love sex all the time, every day, all day. We want it from you, even when you sleep. We just don't know it's a good time to make our move. So as gentlemen, we just gotta like wait for you ladies to give us a sign. Any ladies know what sign that is? Every man knew that. You all kind of catching up, ladies. We were waiting that sign all night. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, lady next to you like.